All right, guys. So you might have figured we're making some awards. It's the 2018 Pikes Peak Arts Council Awards. Just like anything else, man, we got to do this in steps. Right now, we're taking time to pre-drill the bottoms, brand them, and get them ready for stain. System down. You want to see it? Goes like this. Take the block to the drill press. We got a little cradle set up. Holds the block. Then we brand the block with the drill press. You'll see it start to smoke. You see it turning brown on the edges. Give it a few seconds and release. Now we take it over to the table, and we got a little template to mark the center. And then we'll use our drill to pre-drill a hole. And then we'll take this brand right on to the next one. You guys ready to do some welding? Okay, so to maintain consistency, we've come up with this little jig to weld each of these the same way every time. Let's do it. That's what we're looking for right there. We just need 25 more. Alright guys, so let's make these things rust. Well, there you go guys. We got 23 of the 2018 Pikes Peak Arts Council Awards. We'll get these delivered, and they'll put the little name tags right here in the front, and all that's left to do is show up at the awards. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.